Hi viewers, this is Malanna. Today I am going to discuss the topic profit and loss with you. The rate at which an article is bought is called cost price, that is denoted by CP. The rate at which an article is sold is called selling price and is denoted by SP. When selling price is greater than cost price, we have gain. When selling price is less than cost price, we have loss. Gain. To find out gain, we have to subtract cost price from selling price. So gain is equal to selling price minus cost price. To find loss, subtract selling price from cost price. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Now, how to find out percentage of gain and percentage of loss? To find out percentage of gain or percentage of loss, we always write cost price in denominator. Here I am writing cost price. In this case also I am writing cost price. To find out percentage of gain, write gain value in numerator. To find out percentage of loss, write loss in numerator. I will make it clear by taking a small example. To understand this concept, I am giving you a small example. Suppose an article is bought for 50 rupees. That means cost price is 50 rupees. That is sold for 60 rupees. So cost price is 50 rupees. Selling price is 60 rupees. Now we calculate percentage of gain. Here selling price is more than cost price. That's why we have gain. So here 50 rupees is cost price. Consider this cost price always as investment. So this 50 rupees is investment. By doing business with 50 rupees, one person gains 10 rupees profit. 10% as profit. That article is bought for 50 rupees and sold for 60 rupees. That means gain is 10 rupees. 60 minus 50, that is 10 rupees. To find out percentage of gain, here we have to write 100. For 50 I am getting 10 rupees gain. For 100 how much gain I get? So for this, take this diagonal elements, 100 into 10 by 50. 0 0 gets cancelled, 5 1 5, 5 20s. So 20%. This is one concept. Or you can do like this. First write cost price in denominator. Next, difference of these two numbers. Difference of these two numbers, that is 60 minus 50, 10. Then multiply this fraction by 100. 0 0 gets cancelled, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 2 10 ja, 20. So 20% gain. I am taking cost price as 50 rupees and selling price is 30 rupees. So article is bought for 50 and that is sold for 30 rupees. In this case, selling price is less than the cost price. That's why we have loss in this case. To find out percentage of loss, here I am writing 50. For 50 rupees business, I am getting a loss of 20 rupees. This 20 we got from 50 minus 30. Difference of these two numbers is 20. So for 50 rupees, I am getting a loss of 20 rupees. Percentage means here for 100, how much I lost? For 50 rupees, I am losing 20 rupees. For 100, how much I lose? So take these two diagonal elements in numerator, 100 into 20 by 50. 51 is 50, 52 is 100, 22 is 40. So 40% loss. This same can be done using ordinary formula. To find out percentage of loss, write cost price in denominator. So I am writing cost price 50 in denominator. In numerator, I have to write difference of these two values, 50 minus 30, that is 20 rupees. Now multiply that fraction by 100. 0 gets cancelled, 5 ones, 5 twos, 22 is 40%. So you can use this method or that method. We should remember two formulae, that is selling price and cost price. When we are given cost price, loss and profit. Here I am writing formula for selling price. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus percentage of gain or gain percent by 100. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus gain percent by 100. Again, selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus percentage of loss percent by 100. When we have gain, we have to use this formula plus gain percentage. When we have loss, we have to use minus loss percentage. So first remember this SP formula. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus percentage of gain by 100. CP into 100 minus percentage of loss by 100. From this I am writing cost price. If you are asked to find out cost price, you are given selling price. So write selling price. Write in invert this fraction. 100 by 100 plus percentage of gain. Here also CP is equal, write SP here. Whenever you are asked CP, you will be given selling price. Write this denominator in reverse order. Write denominator in numerator, numerator in denominator. So I am writing 100 by 100 minus loss percentage. So this formula we use to solve questions from this topic, profit and loss. By selling a chair for 572 rupees, a man gains 30%. The cost price of the chair is. This question is taken from R.S. Agarwal. The options are given here. First option is 340, second one is 400, 440 third one, none of this. So first I am doing in ordinary method. Here cost price of the chair we have to calculate. I told you to find cost price, we use that formula. SP CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus percentage of gain. SP is given in the problem, that is 572. So I am writing 572 here. 100, again 100 as it is, plus percentage of gain, that is given 30%. So just write 30. 572 into 100 by 100 plus 30, 130, 0 0 gets cancelled, 13 1 is 13, 13 4 is 52, again 5 is left, 13 4 is 52, 44 into 10, 440. So correct option is 440. Now we will solve the same question using a simple method. Here we have to find out cost price of the check. If you observe, the answers are less than this number. Only one value 572 is given and one percentage value is given. Whenever you are given percentage and one value in any chapter, just use common sense, use this logic. That is, first write value, that is 572 rupees. After writing this, you have to get a answer more than less than this 572. All options are given less than 572 rupees. That means we have to make this 572 less. So another clue is here, gain, 30% gain is given. So suppose an article is bought for 100 rupees. To get a gain of 30%, we have to sell it for 130 rupees. So understand this simple concept. 30% gain means you have to rate 130. 40% gain means 140. 100 is cost price. Gain 30% means that 100 rupees becomes 130. That means you have to sell for 130. So now here 100 and 130 we have to get a value less than 572. For that, to get less value out of these two, we have to take less value in numerator and large value in denominator. So I am writing 100 in numerator and 130 in denominator. 0 0 gets cancelled, 13 1 is 13, 13 4 is 52, again 13 4 is 52. So I got Amit sold an umbrella for 680 rupees, losing 15%. The cost price of the umbrella is. First option is 782, 800, 578, none of this. The question is, we are asked to find out cost price. We know cost price formula. Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by, here loss is given. That's why I am writing 100 minus loss percent. If you are given gain, percentage of gain, here you have to write 100 plus gain percent. Selling price is 680 into 100 by 100 minus percentage of loss is 15%. So I am writing just 15%. 680 into 100 by 100 minus 15, that is 85. 17 5 is 85, 17 4 is 68, 0 cancel. 5 1s 580, 40, 5 8 is 40, 8 into 100, 800. So the cost price is 800. 440. This will be our right answer.